In this video, I will show you how you can easily block a number in iPhone 14. So let's say someone call you and you want to block him because like whatever reason you have, right? So when you're going to be here, you want to click on a call number when you have callings. And then let's say there is a number right here, a name. And I'm going to press information here. And what do you want to do? You just scroll down below and you're going to have like block this caller. And that's pretty much it how we do it. So that's it, right? And this is like quick tutorial. So again, you would go to call when you're calling, and then you would just scroll down below and you see block this caller. And that's pretty much it how we can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. And this is how you can block number. Have a great day and goodbye. How you can block number in iPhone 14.